By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to create and edit videos using Claude because a brand new upgrade just dropped. And the example I'm going to share with you in this video is a complete game changer. Because for those of you that don't know, the AI video space right now is a complete mess. If you want to make videos with AI, you're bouncing between VO, Runway, Kling, Cdance, Nano Banana, with like 8 different tabs open, 8 different logins, and unfortunately 8 different subscriptions, but that all changes today. So that new upgrade that I'm talking about is Claude just got a massive skill upgrade with the Topview skill, because what this allows you to do is this allows you to install this inside of Claude, inside of Cursor, inside of Codex. Then you have an all-in-one video skill that allows you to create videos using any type of model, all from directly inside of Claude. And this is incredibly easy for you to get set up with right here. We could see over here that literally all you have to do is copy this right here, bring it over into Claude, and then this goes through. It sets it up, it downloads the skill, and then you just say, let's authenticate it. And this goes through and allows you to actually authenticate it. So instead of switching between 8 different platforms, now you literally just describe what you want created and Claude will be able to do it. And as we can see right here, there are several different use cases you could use this for creating e-commerce video, marketing images, main product images. You could generate videos. You could do video editing. You could create talking avatars. There is so much that you could do from directly inside of Claude right now. Now here's where this gets really fun, because installing it is one thing, but actually using this tool is another. And Topview Skill works so well because it doesn't generate just one video at a time like every other AI tool out there. You give it a single prompt and it can generate a dozen different variations across a bunch of different AI models. And not only different models, you can do different styles, different aspect ratios, and different scripts all in one session. On top of that, it also picks the right AI model for your job automatically, so you don't have to be an expert in which model is best for cinematic shots versus product shots, because the agent is actually going to figure that out for you. And my favorite part about this is that because it lives natively inside of your agent, you're not opening up another tool, you're not paying for 5 different subscriptions, and you're literally just talking to Claude like you normally would. So in order to actually create things, here's how easy it is. We're simply just going to come over here and we're going to say, use the Topview skill to create 10 different 10-second videos that explain how the TikTok algorithm works in 2026. I'm actually going to change this to 15-second videos, and literally all we have to do is type in a simple prompt like this, and this is going to go through and create 10 different videos. It can make videos using different models in different aspect ratios, and it's literally this simple. Because Claude is automatically going to go through and actually choose the models that it's going to use for you based on exactly what your request is. It's going to match it up with the best model. It allows you to use just one prompt in order to create tons of videos at scale. And this is actually native to the AI workflow. And we just literally have to go through and allow all of these because this is the first time doing this. And then you won't have to do that anymore. And you can just prompt it and it'll run off and create the videos. And the best part about this is it doesn't require that you have to switch platforms, switch tabs, switch models, none of that. This is actually going to do it for us. In addition to that, it works for cinematic shots, product videos, UGC videos, and look, it's literally going through the generation plan right here. So it's going to use Kling V3, and we could submit for all of these to actually get adjusted at once, which I just did right here. And it goes through the 10 different concepts that this is actually going to talk about right here. And once we're ready to submit, we just tell it we're ready to submit. Now it's going off and it's actually creating all of this. And again, this literally works for every type of video, UGC videos, talking head videos. It doesn't matter. Any type of content, this can create it. And this is a massive time saver compared to traditional editing, because guess what? While this is doing this, I could run off and do something else, or I can actually do something else inside of Claude Code here. And guess what? I can actually schedule this out to happen as a routine. So if I know what I want to create, I can actually hook this up to my content calendar, and now it will go through and actually create all my content for me automatically on a schedule. And this is way more cost effective doing it this way compared to trying to run each of those models individually. And what I really like about this is this actually went through and created a plan first. We got to approve the model, the format, the resolution, the duration, the audio, the cost estimate, which is pretty awesome, and all of the different concepts. And we actually could have used this to go through and generate the scripts for us also. And you can actually create a skill so it understands how you create your scripts. There's so many different automations that you're going to be able to build out with this. And this right here changes the game forever. because you could literally use this to set up a routine so that this happens automatically. You could use this to create an entire month's worth of content in a single sitting. And what's even cooler is because you're doing this with Claude, you can actually use Dispatch, access this from your phone. So if you're on the go, let's say you're traveling and there's a trend you want to hop on in your niche or a piece of content you want to create because you got inspired, guess what? You could literally just message Claude Code from here. It can use this skill and it can create that video for you without you ever getting in front of a camera or editing a video. And what's pretty amazing to me is right here, this literally gives us an estimate too of when these videos is going to be done, which is a massive help. And guess what? We could walk away and this is continuing to work in the background. And we even see all the videos that were submitted, the rendering, and the task ID, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now we could see that this is all done, this is all generated, and if we wanted to, we could also come over to top view right here in order to actually view all of this. And as you can see, this is insane. It literally went through, it did everything that it needed to do. On videos where there was an avatar, it went through and actually generated the avatar. On videos without an avatar, it did it without the avatar. And with some of these, it actually generated the avatar for us, which is pretty crazy. So let's check out what some of these look like.
The algorithm analyzes your watch time, likes, and shares, processing these signals to connect you with personalized content.
The TikTok algorithm is complex, but understanding how it works is key. It prioritizes engagement signals like likes and shares.
Now, before I walk you through a bunch of cool other ways that you could use this, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Topview today. You could use this tool to create one-off video generations in seconds, or you could integrate it into your content workflow at scale, which makes it a must-have whether you're a solo creator, an agency, or you're running ads for clients. So the next way that I would strongly suggest that you use this is to actually compare different models. For example, we could come over here and say something like this. Use the top view skill to create 2 cinematic videos showing a Ferrari driving down PCH. I want to use 2 different models so that we can compare them. And then what this is going to do is actually use 2 different models so that you can compare them. And this is something I would strongly suggest that you do because this is going to allow you to A/B test models. This will allow you to change what different models look like. And this is going to allow you to get a way better understanding of how to generate videos with AI incredibly quickly using this new tool. Now, while that actually runs off and does that, I did want to show you a few other things here inside of the demos right here. For example, we could see right here that you can actually generate images, or you could upload images if you want and get it to actually create things like it did here. Or you could upload a video and you can say, can you help me turn this into this specific thing? And we could see it will then go through and actually edit your videos. Or you could come over here and you can actually upload a portrait of somebody and say, turn this into a talking avatar video. There's so many different things you could do with this in terms of video. In addition to that, you could use it for other use cases like e-commerce, where you could upload a bunch of different images and then tell it to actually go through and create people promoting these things. We could see that's what it's done right here. Or if we come over to marketing images, we could actually get this to create a bunch of different marketing images and a bunch of carousels that you could use on TikTok or on Instagram. Or if you want to do product main images, you could actually come over here and this will actually create images that you can then use on Amazon or Shopify. In addition to that, we could actually use this to generate images. We could use this to come through and actually edit images, to create product model images, to be able to remove backgrounds and actually change things. Like, look at this. We just uploaded both these images and this will go through and do this. And then the other thing that you could get this to do is actually generate voiceovers. These could be voiceovers for movies. They could be voiceovers for videos. It could be a voiceover for a podcast. And essentially, you get access to all these different skills when you use Topview skill. And then Claude's going to have access to all this, which is absolutely mind-blowing that this is able to do this, because this is going to completely automate how you do these tasks. And like I was sharing it with you earlier, if you come into Claude, you could actually set up routines in order to have these things happen automatically, or you could also use it from all of these different things. You could use it from Open Claude, Claude Code, Cursor, so many different platforms. So now that those Ferrari videos are done, I want to show you what these actually look like. We could click into this one right here, see exactly what this looks like. It has this sound going, which is pretty awesome here. I'm going to actually turn that off just for the sake of this, but we could see the exact prompt that was used here. This was used text to video, Kling V3. They made it 10 seconds. Now, if we X out of this and come over to this other video that was created right here, we could click on this and we could see that this was made with VO 3.1. It was 8 seconds, also text to video. We could see the prompt that was was used here. And this shows us what this video actually looks like, again, using sound. And my feeling is that the other video was actually way better. And again, this allows you to, in real time, from one tool, from one interface, learn what models are best for what, or even just be able to A/B test and compare things so that you could do it all from one command center, one control. And this will literally allow you to take over your content creation inside of Claude, which is incredible. And again, it doesn't only generate videos, it also can be used to edit videos, to create carousels, to edit images, to create images. The use cases and the opportunities here are really endless. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below so you can get started with the Topview skill today. This tool is going to completely revolutionize how you create this content, and since you're watching this video right now, it means that you're going to be on the cutting edge if you take advantage of this.